I'm Marie Solid. I'm the branch manager of the Poe Library on Sullivan's Island, and today in our origami series I'm going to teach you how to make this butterfly. I'm using origami paper that's printed on one side and solid on the other, but you could use a solid color. Our first fold is in half like a triangle. And then I'm going to open it up and fold it in half like a triangle the other way. We're pre-folding because it's easier when things are creased. And now I'm going to fold it in half like a rectangle, but I'm going to flip it so that the colored side, the outside, is being folded in. And now I'm going to fold it up. So I have a tent. Big flat side down with the opening down, and one side of the corners are going to go up to the top. Now I'm flipping it over so the smooth side is facing me, and I'm folding the whole thing up more than halfway, so that there's a triangle showing above that flat portion. And now this comes down. You'll see that that wants to open up, and that's what we want. We're going to open that up and flatten it. Just this open flap comes down, and that side is going to get flattened. And the top triangle gets folded down level, and then the tip comes up so it shows that's forming the head of the butterfly. Now we fold it in half like a sandwich. And then we're imagining a thin line here to form the body, and we fold the wing open. I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Fold the wing open.